This is
my channel,
and make
please
sure to subscribe to my
her
channel, Bloom Kyle's channel. So we're going to make slime. So let's get started. So you need
First,
a bowl,
bowl,
some
glue,
mixing tool, and some glue.
table napkin or tissue,
Yeah,
and
power gel.
some laundry detergent.
And you can use power gel or borax.
Yes.
So let's get started. So
We're just gonna put our glue.
there.
There you go.
Then I'll just mix it a little.
I'll just put some laundry
I'll
detergent.
use this. Yeah, this is
Just a little bit when you put some laundry
a
detergent.
little bit at a time.
Yeah. To sure that it's gonna be okay.
Then mix it well. It's forming. See?
It's like that.
It's forming. Whoa.
It's like this.
So
When you get this,
use this tissue napkin.
when you get this type of glue, just put a little bit of that.
If you use a clear glue, you should use coloring.
Food coloring. But we didn't use food coloring
Because this is already blue.
because it can be already blue.
I'll add one more.
I'll just mix it.
Hey, yours is not even blue. I'll add.
Go. It's good enough.
Yeah. Mine isn't working either. But if I add a little bit of power gel. Oh my goodness. It'll form.
Yeah.
Mix it well until it forms.
When your hands has glue now,
you
you
can
can
use tissue paper here. And here above your
and this is my classmate. Yes. And our other classmate doesn't want to look at the camera. She's making some art projects.
Wow.
This one. Yeah, that's right.
Her hair is too long.
Yeah, like me.
My slime! My slime! It's already forming. Hey!
Yeah, I like
this?
mine is not good enough.
This is my slime. See?
Mine is not good.
It's kind of fluffy slime. Oh, fluffy slime is.
Yeah.
Wow! It's
I
too
think-
sticky.
I think mine is not working.
It's too sticky.
This
I'll add
one,
again.
you're gonna use your hands now.
So if you make a normal slime, you can use
Mine is not working either.
you can use a hot water and dissolve your slime there, and
But
you can
we're
have
gonna-
a jiggle slime.
We're gonna do some other slime on our next video.
Yeah. Oh no, my slime failed. It's taking a while ago and then it just failed.
It's good enough. And the color is very good.
I just mix it.
Mine doesn't good enough.
It's
Look at
good.
it.
Yeah. Just knead it until it's
I think I'm gonna put it down in the trash can.
No. Mine is real good. Shandy's slime is a failure.
I'll just get another bowl because this is an epic fail.
You can use my bowl. Sticky. Ooh. You can
This
use
one.
all the glue that
I
you
get a flat one, so it's good enough.
to mix well.
I'll just make another.
This is mine. It's sticky.
Oh, I think mine has hand. It's already gone.
Gone. Your glue is already gone. You just buy that a while ago.
Yeah. It's new at the National Bookstore.
We didn't buy it in the National Bookstore.
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah, I remember.
There you go.
There's our friend. She's
Yeah.
very shy.
She's very shy at the camera. Just say hi.
You can knead this one so it will be smooth and soft. Yeah.
There.
If
I
we
think
go in our
mine
house,
goes.
if we go in my house, then we make the project in our house, my house. I think we did in.
We're gonna
vlog.
do the baking soda slime at her house.
Oh, I just wish you.
Wish you luck.
Yeah, wish me luck, guys. This is the stickiest slime ever. See?
It's good enough for her.
It's
Mine
so
doesn't
cool.
work. Why
Why?
mine?
Don't use my glue. He's standing over there. See? But it's really cool to have a best friend like her, and this,
Yeah.
they're very good at making slime.
Oppa.
Appa. Salang iyak.
Jonghae Salbanya.
But I want to go in Spain.
Mine, I like to
In
go in the Korea. Korea,
And
Hong
California.
Kong, California, like that.
USA, America. Because we
Yeah.
just live here in the Philippines.
Yeah. And it's
That's
summer.
why-
It's rainy day season.
That's why we didn't use in barracks. Because
Yeah.
here in the Philippines doesn't have a car.
It's
Do
not
you speak
working again.
faster? Oh, you can't just. Let me show you how to make slime.
Yes, I know. You put first the Ariel Power Gel. This one.
Yeah, or you can put it after the glue. But if you play it and still stick it, you can mix it again.
I'm just gonna put all my glue.
Hey, don't. If that is a failure, don't use my glue.
Yeah.
Because my glue is this. It's standing over here or here.
Mine doesn't.
Mine is really working. Why is shiny slime doesn't work? Neither mine. Hey, add a full of Ariel so it can be stick.
Yeah.
Yours is I think you put so much. Why is yours still white? Mine is glitter.
Look at it's not
okay.
working.
It's always failed. Let me teach you.
Yeah.
You want? Let me teach you.
Told you it's not.
Oh, good thing I have a bowl or a box for my slime. I have it. Yeah. I just throw the.
It's
pack.
good enough.
Yeah, it's good. But mine is so good.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Really cool.
Can you make me one?
Yeah, sure. Do you have a glue?
No.
Let's
Can
see.
you use your glue for me?
You have a glue there in your table. Oh. The slime is very sticky.
Gawa ka na lang dyan, Grace.
What?
I said, Grace, just do.
You can use that glue.
Gawa ka ng ano. Can you open it for me?
No, you can just do it.
I think mine.
Why did you use all the glue?
Yes, I shouldn't do that.
Yeah.
I
As you
wish
know,
I
you
have
already-
many.
Of glue?
Yeah.
Sure. So I can.
Did you know that I'll gonna make some
Hey, put that out.
all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make it empty. Like mine. It's really good. Good, good smile. Ooh, see this? It's drowning. Oh.
I wish that it's good enough for me like that.
Yeah, like that. So give me your bowl.
Here,
I think this is
this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, I'll just put some tissue under that.
It's really cool. My slime is very sticky.
I'll just wipe it off to be clean. You're good, gone.
I'm good at making slime. Even in my house, I don't have any power. I just buy that. I will just.
So Carla's gonna make my slime to be good enough.
Excuse me.
Wait, I'll just think of that.
Mama.
Nag-video ka ba? Post lang sa YouTube.
Ha? Dito ka na lang magkamera.
Yeah. I'll just get it off.
Oh,
Wait, I'll just turn it off.
So, this is our project.
That's all.
Cartoon.
And we're gonna do now our
Project. Do you want
I'll
us,
just clean it up
wait, do you want us to make a video making our project?
later.
Okay.